In this question, we're given f of x, which is x to the 4 plus x cubed plus 2x squared plus ax plus b, and we're told that when f of x is divided by x minus 1, the remainder is 7, and we've got to show that a plus b is equal to 3. In order to do this question, whenever you see something to do with division and a bracket at x minus 1, you're either doing polynomial division or you're thinking about the factor theorem. The factor theorem is going to be the easier method, and the fact that you've got to know about the factor theorem is that the remainder, when you divide x minus 1, is going to be the same as f of the negative of the number in that bracket. So x minus 1, we're going to calculate f of 1. If it was x plus 1, we'd calculate f of minus 1. So always the opposite. We can calculate f of 1 by simply subbing in 1. So sub in 1 to x everywhere along the line. And we should know that this is the remainder. So that should be 7 according to the question. From here, it's just a case of simplification. And now we can add 1 plus 1 plus 2, which is 4. And therefore a plus b is equal to 3, as it was meant to be. Okay, let's move on to part B. Part B gives us another fact about another remainder. So this time it says that it's divided by x plus 2. That means that we have to take the number, make it negative, calculate f of minus 2. So I'm going to take minus 2, stick it in for x, all the way along every x in f of x. Don't forget the brackets, because if you're squaring, a negative is going to turn positive. So this should be equal to minus 8 according to the question. And from here on out is just calculating, simplifying these numbers. These 8's cancel out, so that's quite nice. And here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 8 to both sides. And I'm going to take the 2a and the b to the other side to get 2a minus b, like this. The reason I'm going to write it in this way is because then if I compare it to part a plus b is equal to 3, I can simply add these two equations together. The b's will disappear, and we'll get 3a equals 27, which obviously means that a is equal to 9. Given that a is equal to 9, I'm going to sub it back in, probably use the second equation, it looks a bit simpler. 3 is equal to 9 plus b, therefore b would be equal to negative 6. Here's a few more for you to try.